Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on contacts. Now let's find the contact that you'd like to edit, so I'll pick this one and then choose edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner. So here we've got the division between the picture and calling card, and even though I will focus on the picture, I highly recommend to set the calling card. Also, basically you will change the background of the incoming call screen, thanks to which you can customize the contact even more. But as I said, I will focus on the picture, so let's just tap on the circle here, and we've been transferred to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So basically here in the device photos we've got our own gallery. We can enter it and choose something from your own photos, or open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. Google Photos, which are backed up photos, so I'll just omit that. Here we've got also monograms, so basically you can use one or two letters. It's up to you. You can tap on Inspire Me and your device will automatically or randomly add the background color and the font, but obviously you can change it manually. So here we've got the background colors, the fonts, so we can do whatever you want to. You can also use emoji instead of the monogram. Just tap on it and you can choose from the full list of available emojis. You can again change the background color if you want to. You can also set the monochrome option. So right now we've got the emoji itself, but if we will choose this one, our device will show more icon-like style of the emoji. We can also use the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not really have the photo of this person, you don't feel like you want to use the monogram, you can choose something from those options. Maybe something that resembles you of this person, maybe the place that you've both visited, etc. So it's up to you. I'll pick something from the gallery, so I'll choose maybe this one and tap on done. So here in this step we can zoom in or out the photo, we can change the position of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle right here is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.